Good morning, friends. This is Takesh Kapoor, student of IMC University of Science and Technology. We have team members. First of all, this is Tony Parikal. That is Dev.
Hi, I'm Dev.
It comes from here. You can see them.
Facebook. Okay, basically this is our cameraman Atul Wadhwa.
Hey, friends.
Okay, so now back to me. We have basically prepared a project on propeller display. So the basic USB of our project is that everything is self-made except for the components. Everything we have prepared at home. That's a basic USB, and the other things will displayed by my told you to by my friends. First of all, Mr. Parikal will give the hardware description.
Hello, guys. This is the motor. It is a DC motor. This board here is powered by these brush contacts. I made this on myself, all here at my home. There are two contacts. You can see them. Outer one is ground. Outer one is VCC, and inner is ground. So in this way, you can power this board with a constant power supply. You don't need a battery over it. Now,
and for the purpose of powering the board, we use have a regulated power supply, which is 7805 IC, and the power is given there. From there, the 12 volt is given to the motor, and 5 volt is here the 9 volt is given, and then the 5 volt is given to the board. And here we use a capacitor filter, which is of 4700 microfarad, and here we contain 20 RGB, 20 LEDs and 1 RGB. There are white LEDs, and a sensor is used for LDR sensor is used for this, and a single LED is given here, which will coordinate with the LDR sensor. And from now up to you there.
Them so that the overall weight is reduced, and we have applied the screws at the center of mass of the whole system. Okay, so now Takesh will continue. Okay, so now the leftover part of programming, Takesh will tell you about it.
So guys, I'm back. Okay, so I'll give you the basic software description of our project, which is the main part, and that's the major part we have prepared. So basically guys, to reduce our work, we have prepared a function of every letter. Like for I'll take Dave's name, my friend, my good friend. D, we have prepared a function so that we, if repetitions comes, we can write it only there. So that's the basic main theme that how you reduce the program. So come please, cameraman. So basically we have used the interrupt pins so that the LDR sensor which we have used is basically an interrupt, so that we can provide the interrupts. Basically I'll tell you how we have done the programming. I'll give you an example of a letter, how I displayed the letter of my dear friend Dave, D. Okay, come here, come this way. This is suppose we have used, I'm giving an example. This is a matrix, seven LEDs. Okay, so basically what we have done is by programming we have used these LEDs. We have on these LEDs for by using a time delay, by using basically SBI by we are doing is that for some time these LEDs glow will give a time delay for which for that part, this part will be switched off, and these LED will glow, and again these LED will glow, and after that we'll start by time delay, we'll on this LED. So this basically a rough drawing, a very bad drawing. This is a letter HAL represent D, but you'll not get that here. Start. So guys, the basic blockbuster which we have produced is here. This is the propeller display, and which is basically showing our name. First one is the famous boy Takesh. I am that. Tony. Dave, Atul, and basically Tony. So guys, basically that's my number. That's 4 times 9 701470, and to this video I want to thank i3 India and IIT Kanpur for such an amazing and inspiring competition they are organizing. Okay, so
1, 2, 3, start. Yeah.
So I will basically want to thank through this video IIT India and IIT Kanpur and IIT India's workshop, which are amazing, which are really helpful for us, which basically inspired all of us to do something amazing like that. And last not the least, our YMCA college, which has helped us in everything, drilling, punching, everything. Thank you so much.